Over the years, the GRIN BioCH range has become a benchmark for pruning experts, and today we present a new model, GRIN BioCH 150 Road, even more professional and powerful. I'm Daniele Bianchi, and today we are going to discover and understand all the features of this new product. Here you can see the machine in its transport position. A simple lever opens the hopper. This shows us that this machine was designed for professional users, gardeners, arboriculturists, woodcutters, and farmers. All those who want to shred volumes up to 150 mm diameters, which means branches up to 15 cm or even very bulky prunings. So we are talking about branches or edges that I want to shred quickly. To do this, what do we need? A very large and very comfortable hopper. Let's go into detail. The hopper has an opening of 1200 mm, 120 cm. This allows two operators to load a large quantity of material simultaneously. As you can see, it can be folded for transport. Another very comfortable aspect of this hopper is its height from the ground, namely 70 cm, which is very comfortable for picking up and loading material with very little effort. The controls are within easy reach and can be operated either from the left or the right side, so they can be used by a single operator working on one side or by two operators who load the machine simultaneously. When I want to charge large volumes, having a very wide loading opening is a crucial aspect. Loading is done with a double hydraulic roller, but also in this case you can see that the opening measures more than 40 cm and it's very wide. Branches are often not straight. A 150 mm diameter is pretty large, but it's not unusual to have smaller branches to work on, which are twisted or have forks. In this case, with a different shredder, I may have to use a chainsaw to reduce the size of the branches. And this takes time. With this machine, I can load all the material without any problems. We have already mentioned that one of the main characteristics is the working speed, which also depends on the force with which the hydraulic rollers load the cutting system. The speed of the rollers can be adjusted manually, but also controlled by our ANTIstress PRO system. In particular, this device has two functions. Firstly, if the cutting system jams during loading, it allows the material to move backwards a few centimeters, and then it resumes the usual works. All this happens automatically and very quickly. This also means that the operator doesn't have to move away from the loading area and can work very quickly. The second function concerns the three working settings, depending on the material to be loaded: dry, green or fibrous wood. The most innovative aspect of the GRIN BioCH 150 is the cutting system. It's very easy to access, therefore very simple to inspect and maintain. All you have to do is unscrew 3 bolts and open the chute with the help of this flap. Here you can see the GRIN ULTRA CUT cutter head. The first thing to notice is that GRIN ULTRA CUT is made by a completely closed cylinder. Why was it made this way? Because when it rotates, it has less inertia and exerts less effort. This means that the engine power is completely dedicated to cutting and consumption is reduced. The airflow required to evacuate the material is then provided by wings located outside the cutter head. This increases power by 50% and reduces consumption by 30%. The knives are not screwed directly onto the cutter head, but there are inserts that can be removed by unscrewing 4 bolts. With this insert in my hand, I can work comfortably away from the machine. I can easily turn the knife, as it has 2 cutting edges, so when one is worn, I can use the other one. Thanks to a handy precision jig, I can accurately set the blade for later reassembly. Once again, maintenance is super fast and precise, meaning I can be sure that the knife will be fitted precisely. The discharge chute is 235 cm above the ground. It can load materials even on the highest track. A simple handle can be used to direct the discharge. The road configuration of the Bioch 150 allows it to be transported on the road. To do this, I fold the chute using a quick release lever and hook the trailer to the trailer hitch of the vehicle. The weight of Bioch 150 road is less than 750 kilos, so it can be transported just with a big car driving license. As you can see from this video, GRIN BIOch 150 is a machine designed for professionals who shred large quantities of branches and want to do it quickly. Maintenance too is fast and efficient. Particular attention has been paid to top quality made in Italy materials. But beyond this video, I advise you to see firsthand how the machine works. Only in person you can truly appreciate the quality of this machine. You can personally test the machine by organizing a free test drive at our local authorized dealers.